Hello everyone, I'm LifeKreativ. As the weather gets colder, cooked food cools down very quickly. Today I'm going to share a very simple rice recipe with you. When cooked this way, kids absolutely love it. First, rinse the rice well. This step helps remove dirt, fine sand, and impurities remaining from the milling and transportation process. When washing rice, the excess rice flour clinging to the outside of the grains is also washed away. After rinsing, discard the sediment. This water is often cloudy due to the presence of dirt, excess rice flour, and lingering dampness. Pour a sufficient amount of water into the rice. Then soak the rice for about 30 minutes so the grains expand evenly and cook up soft and fluffy. While we wait, let's peel the potatoes. Peel gently from the outside inwards so that the thin layer of skin peels off evenly. Avoid cutting too deeply, as this will remove the pulp. Cut lengthwise along the bulb to create long, moderately thick strips. Cut evenly so that the potato strips are of similar size, avoiding strips that are too big or too thin. Next, cut it into small cubes about 1 centimeter in size. Potatoes of a moderate size will absorb the seasoning more easily. Soak the potato cubes in water to prevent them from turning dark. Next, slice the carrots crosswise into moderately thick and even slices. When cutting, maintain a steady hand pressure so that the slices are neither too thick nor too thin. Slowly and decisively to ensure a clean cut, preventing the carrot from cracking or breaking at the edges. Now cut it into small cubes. Using small cubes will help the ingredients cook more evenly. It absorbs seasonings easily, retains its shape well, and makes the dish look more harmonious and appealing. Cut it up and put it on a plate. Next, cut the mushrooms crosswise. Cut the mushrooms into pieces of uniform thickness, not too thin to retain its natural softness and elasticity. Next, cut them into small squares. The mushrooms will cook evenly when cut into square pieces. Once everything is done, put them back on the plate. Finally, here's the last ingredient. Cut the sausage in half, then cut them lengthwise. The remaining steps of the process are exactly the same as the first three. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, it's great to have your support. You can register by clicking the register button. Put all the sausages on a plate. Next, add oil to the pan. Heat over medium heat until the oil gradually warms up. Add the Chinese sausage and stir fry. Stir constantly to allow the sausages to heat up, slowly render out some of the fat and release their characteristic aroma. Add the potatoes, carrots, and mushrooms to the pan one by one. Stir fry evenly over medium heat so the ingredients absorb the sausage fat, giving them a glossy, appetizing surface. While stir-frying, the potatoes turn translucent, the carrots brighten, and the mushrooms soften and smell fragrant. Continue stir-frying for a few more minutes, stirring gently but continuously. Next, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir for a little longer to allow the spices to penetrate deeply. Stir from the bottom so the seasoning spreads evenly and the vegetables absorb the flavor. Stir fry over medium heat, ensuring the ingredients don't burn. Finally, add enough water to just cover the ingredients. Once the water boils, transfer everything into the rice cooker. Spread the ingredients evenly in the pot. After soaking for a while, the rice is ready. At this point, the rice has swollen evenly, the grains are plump and ready to cook. Discard the soaking water. Discard the cloudy soaking water to prevent it from affecting the rice's flavor. Put the rice in the rice cooker. Where are you watching from? Please leave a comment to let me know. Spread the rice evenly so it cooks uniformly, neither undercooked nor mushy. A flat rice surface helps the ingredients contact the rice better and absorb more flavor. Next, crack 4 eggs into the rice. Leave it on top of the rice and other ingredients. As it cooks, the eggs gradually set, forming a natural golden layer. This method makes the cooked rice both tender and fragrant. Close the lid and start cooking. After about 10 minutes, open the lid. At this point, steam rises and the eggs begin to set lightly on the rice surface. When scooping the rice, the ingredients such as potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and sausage are evenly distributed with their aroma. Use a ladle or spoon to scoop each portion of rice. Use a spatula to gently press the surface of the rice, compressing it slightly and shaping it neatly in the bowl. Next, place the plate over the mouth of the rice bowl, hold it firmly, and then flip the bowl upside down so that the rice falls onto the plate intact. You can sprinkle some black sesame seeds on top of the rice as a garnish. This rice dish is nutritious, delicious, and very easy to make. With just a few simple steps, you can prepare a nutritious meal, suitable for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's quick, easy, visually appealing, and delicious for the whole family. Both adults and children love this rice dish. Use a spoon to scoop out portions of rice. If you like this dish, give it a try. This video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please press the like button. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye and see you in the next video.